No, engathi sa-address
Hayi ngikhuluma
comment.
nomunye la uthi sijone i-EFF ayikho lento abayibiza i-MK.
Ingani ilento esishoyo nje ile generation engaphapheme.
Yiba ama-clever blacks la.
Uma le
Yibo.
msayikhombisile ukuthi u-ownwa abantu abathize bona bamtshelayo.
Eh,
Eke sibuke uMalema ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi ababoni ukuthi badila nobani.
yeah,
Umuntu othengwa abelungu
yeah,
ukuze adukise abantu abamnyama.
yeah,
Ukhuluma lento abantu abamnyama abazoyizwa bayithande bayilandele.
yeah,
Umbona ngani lo muntu na? Umbamba la uma besehlala kuma meetings nabelungu
yeah,
angasese in corners.
yeah,
Wese kalo ngoba uzayisho lwena ngomlomo ukuthi uqonde ukusimanager ukuthi
yeah,
singarayuthi. Sidinga ukumanage ukuze baphephe abelungu.
yeah,
And ubuke nemali and yokuhle sokune IEC declaration ekhombisayo ukuthi ubani ohengishela umuntu financially.
yeah,
Okusho ukuthi onke ama program ezoba wenza ucampaigner ukusa ukudla ezikoleni
yeah,
Christmas njobe sibonile njobe ku Christmas akuyona imali ephathi leyo imali yehengla
yeah,
and ayikuvume lokho iEFF ukuthi after no 10 years or 11 years icon exista uma lemangaze akheke to ukathini u20% of ivote ukubamba ilokuzana iDA angene kwicoalition neANC kusekude kuyaphambili usahlalelwe itask ezomehlula ngoba at this age uyambona ukuthi udisgranted and akakwazi ukudlala ipolitiki edinga lelizwe not abantu abathize. Uma ngikhuluma ngepolitiki yabantu abathize ngikhuluma lento ayenza ukumanje ngoba akasave ipurpose yokukhulula abantu abamnyama kodwa useva ipurpose yokudefenda iEFF nalama gains asevele enawo. That's why kulula kuye alebula abantu abamshiyile phela kwama agreement awaziyo naye ukuthi baye ngo29 May kuma elections bevumelene neMK ukuthi oyoba ngcono kuma impumela yama elections uyena sekuba iumbrella wonke ama progressive parties. But uMalema uyenqaba and I'm sure campaign ukuthi nalami ama parties angayi kulo umbrella as we speak. And
yeah,
I'm definitely sure ukuthi uyena belungu sebemyuza ukuthi anqabele amanye ama parties amnyama angayi kulo umbrella bangabi united.
yeah,
Because uyambona nje ukuthi mayikhuluma uba emotional lo muntu akabi politically uyakhala uhlale ekhuluma izinto ezenziwa abanye abantu akakhulumi ngaye akakhulumi ngesikole lesiwasipromisayo esiyi1 angazasenza namhlanje ngayo le mali abelungu because why le mali abamnika yona bamtshela ukuthi makenzeni ngayo. That's why ngasakhanga nje isikole and akaboni ukuthi nalama cases akha ngaphela ama courts abelungu bamlensela ukheroti
yeah,
mhla I'm telling you mhla waphazama uyozwa ayoqala ama cases akhe amshaye amajaji asheshisa icase amshaye phansi uyezwa kuthiwa uself discredited and then bese eyeka ukungenela ama elections abelungu bambambe lapho nje benza lento abayenze kuba
and babamageba nangilokhuluma ngeland lama-land awapha abantu la anabanikazi khona manje abantu bayakhishwa kabuhlungu bangazositshela ngomalima umalima uyafosta ucanthi izwe lakhe and nanga abelungu ezi bangichazela into eyi-1 bazokupha into abaceda uthupha uzenza ongcono nangu uchamukile lo athi wena ufonda yimi wena ngikupha imali umlungu achamuka athi nayi wena ufonda yimi wayutshela abantu ukuthi wena kwenza njani njengoba umbona sekaphume ukuthi babe yinto eyi-1 ne-MK umtshelele la mlungu athi ubani wena utshela abantu into ezirong ufandwa yimi wena so
uyohlala loo
umuntu
nto
njalo angazi bamthemba kanjani bona Hayi vele
Usi-
phela abantu bakithi abamnyama abanandaba bazoba nendaba lapho sebasengozini. Sebeyaqala manje uzabesho. Hey nerisatsibi besingazi ngoba besuthu le bosi. Hey nerisatsibi ini. Nerisayisi ukuthi lo race abana nemutsepile. And that time is too late. Sekuphelile.
Commander, ake ngisho lokhu ngaze ngikhohlwe.
Yeah
Ngifuna
baba.
ukuba-remind abantu ukuthi uCyril ubani. uCyril angizukuthatha kude. Ngizothatha nje la
Yeah.
ngenkathi ethatha over eqala edila ne-EFF ithi zama ukumdisturb eParliament yonke leyana. Uyicrashile wayihumiliator i-EFF. Yathatha amakhesi yawasecourt. Lawo ma-cases wawacrasha uCyril ukukhombisa ukuthi amajaji awakhe. Yangizwa? And
Yeah.
uCyril kudala ifanda i-EFF. Uyifande for uZuma Mafol and usayifanda namanje.
Yeah.
And wayisholo yena wathi abanye babo ayibanikile imali ebanika nje ngoba bezwela benekhalo zabo.
Yeah.
Manje ucabanga ukuthi le mali siqhamuka noma manje imali eqhamuka kubani ngoba uCupcake uyimember yekhabhala eStellenbosch. Umotsepe kanti ubani ngoba umotsepe aka-operate in an isolation and wenziwe ikhabhali yona emfake kuyimine and akanawo ama-mineral rights.
Yeah.
Umba yena i-mineral ayihande over kulantu abamphethe ebese kuyibona bakwazi ukuyithengisa ukuze abenefit yena akakwazi
Yeah.
yabo and ngeke bamnike ngoba mnyama
Yeah.
ngeke bamnike. So laba bantu badele ubuzwe babo badela ubamnyama babo ngoba befuna ukuba mhlophe.
Yeah.
Kanti imali ayimenzi umuntu emhlophe imali. And imali usengayithola nje uyimele nje ngesiko lakho noma ungayikhulumela English ababelungu. Na abantu baso Spain ungabona nje abo Spain mawuba addressa ngisho kuthiwa uvelele kanjani in life. He will never address you in English. Eseyazi uzoku-addressa ngelanguage yakhe because i-pride of a nation ukukhuluma ilanguage yakho. Aka-interpret a-interpretele ongezwanga. Kutranslate kulabo abangezwanga. Not ukuthi kube uyena ofosakela ukuthi makathengise ubuyena nelanguage yakhe. La eSouth Africa sine problem abantu abathathe i-English bayithathe nje ukuthi iyona language measure or a barometer of uba ukuhlakanipha usuku uzazi izinto. No. Uyabona ubaba uMsholozi example in the world ukuthi you need to be organic to understand things. You need to use your smallest intelligence or capacity intelligence yakho ukuthi ufunde ngayo izinto not uzigcishwe abantu izinto zicabangele wena ukube critic ukube nemibuzo oyibuzayo uzuthola ama-answers ukwazi ukuya kwi-conclusion. Ungathi mabele umethe kuwe Zuma nabagubutazi bathengisa South Africa wawaziwa phela umuntu ukuthi uthengise izwe kodwa ubongezwa ungaboniswa i-invoice ne-price lokuthi uthengise kanjani. Now ubelieve ngempela ukuthi Zuma and Gupta sold the country. Ethengisa kubani by the way? Namhlanje ubani lilande ubani lelizwe ngamalini? Ubani? ANC for 30 years ikhona. Ayifunanga ukudevelopa lelizwe. The only person who developa lelizwe ngenkani uMsholozi. Lapho bespenda khona more kubantu base South Africa rather than emarketeni zabantu abamhlophe. Namhlanje lo hulumeni ophethe manje uthatha imali yethu ayibuyisele back kwi-business emhlophe about imali ayiphinisela kulabantu ama-billions bakwethu khona abantu abangayikhokhi tax abayekwayo ukuthi noma sekumenyezelwe ngabo njengo-Dapiers laba oyisha 14 billions uma awuyizwa nje case yakhona kho case futhi iyefana nento yama-banks le that tells you ukuthi abantu abamnyama bebengaphaphami they will never see it the day la be-independent khona. They will never see it a day la bezenzela khona izinto bohlala njalo bephethwe befictwa izingane ezisazozalwa bohlale befundiswa nge-education yokuba zigqila bahambe bofuna umsebenzi not ukuthi basebenze. Sengizovala nje ngifuna ukubuyela ngigcizelele kulokho besikudiscussile lapha kuCommander Archie ku-live and nalokho bekushiwa nanguCommander Lebogang ukuthi ama-program lawa disaster management are very crucial. I-backbone ye-recruitment, I-backbone yokwenza ukuthi nampela abantu ba-understande le nto ye-people's mandate. Ubesa stretcha-ke uCommander Labuhangu wafaka into ye-education, wafaka into security engaba against crime, engaba ne-food security. Funeke siyifide, funeke siyilwele ne-crime ngokwethu, funeke siyisize thina. Uma ngabe indlu yomuntu iwile, singalindilohulumeni ongayena wethu ngoba abamhlophe vele laba baphethe. So funeke sifunde ukuyiphathela izinto abantu laba abangeyona i-MK. It doesn't matter. Thina funeke siveze ukuthi isikhathi sokuthi indlu emnyama bayibambane regardless ukuthi uyiphi iphathi, ngoba okukhulu ukuthi asiliphethe lelizwe nohulumeni nje obesiyekele kanje kuna nengane esawela imfula, alikho ibridge, kusenezikole ezindala engalungiswa, kusenothisha abadilizwayo, kusena overcrowding emaklasini. Okuyinto bokukhalwe ngayo for 20 years ukuthi the reason we have ingane ezingabambi ezingafundiseki is because ama-classes ethu are too crowded. Umsholozi uzamile bakwethu wazama ukudeliver kulama province angathi anezikole inumber ezi-down because i-population yana waya khona kwathi ukuthi ubanjwe i-NEC, ubanjwe yilokho kuthiwa ama-veterans, lezinto ey'lobha i-white monopoly capital, bese ibuyaza izoyifaka lento ku-NEC, iswela kwi-NEC bisiyenza lento a policy of the ANC. Lesa ubona ama-policies e-ANC kungekho neyodwa implementwayo nanamhlanje since kwangena uCupcake. Ayikhulumi le gang ye-EFF ngalezo zinto, ayikhulumi i-ANC members ngalezo zinto, ezif abantu be-ANC, ezif abantu be-EFF are just aliens from the space. We are all South Africans. We suffer the same under this government. There's no point to shy away who criticize my party's aid. EMK yethu noma isikwi-power, so i-challenger ngeyi-strike, so i-challenger ngayo yonke into ukuthi kanti nani funa ukuthi sinike ivoti niphinde nenze lento ye-ANC yini kanti. Asiyeke ukusebenzisa ama-colors ngoba kuseney'ngane esazozalwa zifefe lo mthwalo esiwuyekileyo thina ongeke kwazi ukumeneja lo mthwalo uma uhlule thina. Thina asiqale manje lento ukuthi belula for i-generation ezayo. Anginandaba noma ngabe-ke abelungu bathathe ilida yakho njengo-Mashaba ngoba khona into abangayiboni nge-Action SA. I-Action SA, make no mistake, ucabanga ukuthi imele wena umuntu omnyama. They are using you to consolidate i-agenda yabamhlophe. uMashaba uphuma kwakhe kwi-DA akaphumanga ngoba ephuma kunezinto ahlukile mhlawumbe nge-ideology or mhlawumbe ne-policy. No, kwaba ukuthi acacele ukuthi abamfuni ngokwebala and then waphuma. But esebuyisa kwipolitiki ubuyiswe uBelinda Oppenheimer, ingane yama-Oppenheimers, i-generation ekhokhelwa ama-politicians la, le generation okuyiyona yathenga uMandela, i-generation lefanda ODA, OVF plus, efuna ukufanda onke ama-parties. Iphathi engafuni ukufandwa yile party iyayirulwe athi kuthiwe sengithi party laba ile family iyayirulwe athi ideclare nje as a enemy number 1. I-EFF bengelula ukuyifanda because ibi ya vocal kakhulu, bayithanda abantu. Iqala ukuzona izinto uma siqhamuka isikhuluma into ukuthi abantu bokuhamba bazenzele la eSouth Africa iba support, kodwa ibe ithi yona ifuna ivotelwe yithi futhi. Kuhambe ohamba lapha i-first station yenyuka ukuthi akawathola amavoti uNkabilo ngenxa yale open board. Wagcina esethi akanendaba ukuthi uyavotelwa abantu base-South Africa noma cha. Okusho khona ukuthi akasasevi yona interest bayisekhuluma kanje yabantu base-South Africa. Okusho ukuthi bakhona abathize abamenza kwazi ukuprolonga i-process yakhe ahlale kwipolitiki as a EFF lead, which is the reason why kule NPA yakhe eye laphana sokwaziwa ukuthi ubani uzophuma ebe yi-president futhi again. Sonke lesa structure sadrafa prior leya NPA yabo kwase kwaziwa ukuthi obani abazofoma lesa structure se-leadership. uNdlozi, I'm telling you guys, in my understanding why uNdlozi eshawa kanje, elahlelwa ngaphandle. Ulahlelwa ngaphandle ngoba kunama talks ebeyenzeka behind the scenes ngesikhathi iMK ne-EFF kudiscussa ukuthi after elections ubani ozoba i-umbrella. Lalela-ke ayekhona ama-opinions okunqaba nokuvuma, okusho ukuthi umuntu okuyena owalahla isipanela wayidiffuza yonke lo argument, wayibeka ekuthenini ayithathwe into progressive. Uzothola ukuthi uye lo Ndlozi owaphenduka wayi-middleman ngoba uMalema usejijela yonke insolo ngokuhamba kaShivambo, ukuhamba kaMpofu, nokuhamba onke ama-members, konke ukujijela kubani? kuNdlozi. Lento ngisho ngoba bakwethu awukwazi ukublame umuntu ngama-actions abanye abantu. Awukwazi ekuyiphi position ngale ndlela engaka ukuthi ube ngaze influence uShivambo uNdlozi. Obviously ube ngakwenza lokho unless a deputy president, but bengeyiyo. And uShivambo yena key member okuyiyona engabe namhlanje sikhuluma ukuthi iyona ethatha leadership and ihambile namhlanje. And then yonke blame isisiwa kubani? kuNdlozi namhlanje. And I'm telling you, uNdlozi not long khona into ezobimenyezela kuNdlozi. Akasabuyeli kwi-EFF. EFF members akuliwa lana ukuthi kuphela mangabe indlu yakwenu isingasakudingi kuthiwa phuma, uyaphuma. So uNdlozi wenza loo nto ke, uyaphuma ngoba indlu ayisamfuni. Kwenzekeni ukuba uNdlozi indlu yakhe i-ANC imjikela mlahla ngaphandle, and yalahla abaningi ngaphandle abafana nathi nje, baningi abalahlwe ilendla wa-ANC. So it's the same thing nalento yenza uMalema lapha eselahla ngaphandle ama-members e-family. It's exactly the same thing. And akasabuyi uNdlozi, but ngoba umashort kwipolitiki nje umbona esadissecta yonke into, esabuka neterrain, esabuka izinto ziya forward, and lento uyenza careful. But ungethuki ukuthi uyothi phela uJune uyobe esayithathile i-decision wamemezela ukuthi umuphi politically. Ningabe sebenimthuka nimbize ngamagama njengoba nithuka njalo everyday u-SG uCommander Shivambo. uShivambo ngeke anithuke nina. He's political minded. Igoal yakhe i1 ukukhulula umuntu omnyama. Ulwa nanje wena akanendaba nawe, to tell you, when it comes to that ukuthi 2-1 yena ufuna ukubona wena ukhululekile. That's it. Ukube nomhlaba wakho nje nawe ukuya ebank wenze nje iloni ngalomhlatshana wakho ukuthi okay ke, okay thatha lapha ke siboneke. Namhlanje ukwazi abelungunini basiqoqobela. Akho nefehle esengathi yenziwe i-ANC ayikho. For 30 years in power abafuni ukudevelopa izwe. Lo othi adevelopa ubizwa ngecriminal. Kuthengwa amajaji, kuthengwa yonke into ukuthi makupeshwe lo muntu lo. Ngoba ulungisa lelizwe, uphaphamisa abantu abamnyama. Ubani umuntu bengabenefit ngesikhathi sababa uMhlolosi? Ngoba benefita wonke umuntu. Unenzela ama-clinic lawa namhlanje angasaperform namhlanje under lo cupcake. Unenzela ikole, wanenzela ama-universities, wanenzela izindlu, pure houses, not RDP house le kaMandela le one room. Wanenzela a proper structure or shelter nawo ubona idignity ikubuyela ngempela. Wanenzela imigwaqo waqeda ama-potholes. Wathi ikhampani zabamhlophe abafuna ukuzo-explota nina nale education yenu. Wathi no, i-investment izohamba naleyo 30% wabantu abamnyama ukuthi bangene nabo bafunde bayidevelophe nabo ngokwabo. Namhlanje yonke likhiphe out. Waya lapha kwimayini wathi no ama-mines awasibenefite nathi. Wangena iCupcake wayikhipha out yonke lonto leyo. Ukusho ukuthi wena usoze nje waya ngisho nakwi-museum ukubona i-diamond ukuthi into enjani, nokubona i-gold ukuthi into enjani, nokubona i-platinum into enjani, i-raw to a last product. You never see that because isusiwe kuwe nto avunyelwe uzuyazi. Awuyazi ne-manganese, awuyazi ne-uranium, awuyazi ne-iron ore, awuyazi nento kuthiwa u-cobalt ukuthi into enjani, awuyazi ngisho i-copper. Kodwa lezi zinto kuninzi abakhona uzalwe zikhona in your own land. You are denied by abantu abathize. Kodwa wena awubaboni, wena awufuni ukugxila kubo. Kebe expose labantu. Ongathi nje lamavulo live sikhuluma ngabo. Hayi ukuthi sikhulume nge-EFF, nge-MK, nge-ANC. Ke sikhulume ngohulumeni osiphethe. Ngoba lo hulumeni owethu sonke. Sikhulume sifike kwi-conclusion ukuthi senze njani uhulumeni onje. Ngoba sifuna onje nonje. U-Ibrahim Traore usayivula ifethu lapho waharisha 10,000 i-youth. Ngitsheleni bakwethu umuntu omncane kangaka in just 2 years time he has done more than abantu okudala bekhona kwipolitiki ye-ANC. Ngoba onke ama-parties aphuma namhlanje aqhamuka kubantu abasuka kwi-ANC. But nangu umuntu oqhamukile manje qhamuka wenza lento edingwa abantu. Namhlanje uyiprocessela yini i-gold. Sihlolwa yini thina? And namhlanje selungise ngisho i-judiciary wathi abayeke ukufaka lama-wigi ase-West akawafuni. Bazofaka into e-traditional. Izinto enesithunzi zabantu. Wathi le language yase-France uyayichitha ufuna ukufunda i-language yalapha nakhulunywe yona. Wachitha yonke into eyimfundaze yase-West. Wathi ufuna into yase-Burkina Faso. I-technology ayizodevelopha uzodevelopha technology. And by the way, umanikazi aniboni ukuthi kanti yaphi. There is a battle njengamanje AI, artificial intelligence. There's a battle right now. And sokuqalile kuyabonakala uqhekeko ukuthi kuzoba ne-AI yase-West ne-AI yase-East. uPutin useqhamukile-ke wathi uyimisele uku-educate i-Afrika, iy'ngane zase-Afrika ngokuthi zikwazi ukuzenzela ngisho izikhali ukuze zikwazi ukwenza iy'khali zezizwe zabo zidefende. West ithi ngapha le ngizana i-West ithi yona kwamanye ama-technology into engama-chip ze-AI ayizukuyidedela. So kuzoba nama-countries asanshiniwe engeke ize or lawo ma-countries avunyelwe ukuthi asese lo information or lawo ma-chip. Bashaye phansi ngoba i-AI akuyona yabo. I-AI kanoma ubani uma ukwazi ukudlala ngescience you can play ngescience. Yiyo-ke lento esifosayo ukuthi nathi asiphaphameni esibe nento yethu bakwethu. Funa iBurkina Faso izobe iphusha i-AI ngokweshosi yayo mhlambe izobe developer kwi-West. Sorry, kwi-East, not i-West. Obviously ngeke bachoose i-West. Thina-ke sikuphi ngoba i-South Africa soon lo Cupcake njengobona enga-invayithanga nje le kuzana kwi-operation ka-Trump. Sokucacile ukuthi uyaphanishwa ukuthi wena watshelwa kwathiwa khipha i-South Africa ku-BRICS ihlale ibe yikoloni yethu. Ngoba nansi into abasibuka yona thina ukuthi ibe yikoloni, kube indawo yabasebenzi le country. Hayi country, funeka ibe yikoloni la. Asizokuvumela lokho. IGhana isuka kuyo lonto leyo. Leswayo ubona namhlanje iGhana ingachuzanga o-Cupcake. Ichuze i-leadership e-resolute. iyo ke lento ibonileyo ukuthi inkathi mayi invite ukuxhonywa kwawo laphana ngokuthi abe umholi weGhana akabuyisanga ngo-cupcake ufuna abantu aba-resolute abathanda amazwe abo awumbonanga u-cupcake laphana awubonanga uThabo Mbeki laphana kusekhona abantu abancoma uThabo Mbeki bakwethu angazi abantu abamnyama kanti ingqondo yabo injani babhema mpugwayi laba bantu uma bengabhemi badla kudla kuni ngempela uThabo Mbeki owenzeleni ingane yase-Eastern Cape wenzeleni ingane yase-Eastern Cape uThabo Mbeki uCupcake lo wenzeleni ingane yaseChawela uyenzeleni lutho and then uzoqhamuka lapho uzokhuluma ipolitiki ye-ANC i-ANC ama-gatekeepers those are gatekeepers they work and defend umuntu omhlophe they will never allow you ukuthi uthole ama-shares funeka kube yiy'ngane zabo kuqala ethola ama-shares kulezi khampani zabo amhlophe they will never allow you to thrive udlule umotsepe funeka kube yiy'ngane zabo ey'thriva zedlule ezakho they will never allow your child yangizwa ukuthi iphumelele zikhona ezabo funeka kuphumelele ezabo kuqala those are gatekeepers they are very happy ukuthi bona beyi-ANC bakhompithe besherishe i-wealth kube umuntu omhlophe ongcono ngaphezu kwabo rather than kube umuntu omnyama ngaphezu kwabo nabelungu babo we are in this time now la i-ANC isihambile gone turn white isimhlophe ayisanendaba nawe wena izokuyuza ngoba uyi-voting cow wena nibale into emkhukhu la yenzileyo ewu-800 kunomkhukhu awenzileyo angazi kube Polokwane angazi kuthiwa bize angazi 8 million or 10 million uzongikhumbuza nje labo commanders bami umkhukhu oyi-1 wabiza ama-millions last year uhambe wakwenza ibridge elibhedayo lagijima ko-40 something million elibhithwa ibridge elenziwe ama-members e-MK lokukrossa nje ukuthi bahambe abantu laba aba-MK benze ibridge lika-50,000 le ewucupcake yenze lika-40,000 a rubbish a very low bridge okuthi nje uma kwaqala nje kwangenisa umfula akukho lutho olukhrosayo and kwanalo le bridge leliyana uma ungenisa umfula chances are umfula uzolithatha uhambe nalo but lele lenziwe amakhomanda ngo-50,000 li-high far from the water level line chance yokuthi lithi lihlale lapha amanzi angakwazi ukulikhukhula can you imagine into enjengo-50,000 compared to a 40,000 bridge uthole ukuthi i-quality ye-bridge ya-50,000 beats a 40 million bridge that tells ukuthi lo muntu akana-interest akanendaba and he will never address ama-issues engane ehluphekayo kumanje will never address ama-issues e-unemployment keke kumanje njengoba manje o-BP sebediliza kumanje uzodiliza 4,600 everyone ne-management iyahamba because izinto sekubulawa umsebenzi ngoba nafuna niphile ngalo 350 ngoba ni-cheap nina e-England abantu abangasebenzi they get paid ukuthi bakwazi ukuphila nina ninikeza u-350 ubani umuntu ophila ngo-350 ungayigqokisa iy'ngane zakho ungayifundisa ngo-350 ikhona igroso ongayithenga kuphela inyanga uyibhilisa lezi iy'ngane ayikho loo nto leyo kusho ukuthi nina dla nina upawuda nje nina that's it phele ngani lungela ngime lapha commander ngimtethele nje singene
awu commander
ngiyabonga commander angibonge nje live ukuthi uvulile njengoba kuyi-weekend nje sometimes siyazi-check-e lapha ukuthi ubani uvulile ukuze sihambe isusuku yabo sikhulume iy'ndaba zethu singalokhu siyabantu abacabanga izinto ezi-negative bematshwaleni ukukhompyutha nempilo ongamele siyiphile namhlanje ngoba isikhathi sethu thina bantu abamnyama sithi kumele abe sikhululekile manje uyazi commanders ngizocela nibuke impilo ngendlela eshintshe ngayo manje eSouth Africa. Lento isho ukuthi ngempela siyayidinga inkululeko. Ngoba ukushintsha kwempilo besithi siyayibona siya kuyo yenkululeko. Basithatha manje basiphindisele emuva. Ngoba uma ubuka i-youth yethu ilahleke yonke. Ayikho i-country e-achievayo uma i-youth ilapha kwi-west or i-wasted. Asikwazi ukuqhubeka kanje. Uyabona laba balwa ne-MK ngoba belwa bethi ipolitiki. Ukulahleka, ukukhohliseka, ukungayicabangeli, ukuyizonda, nokungacapheli ukuthi isikhathi siyahamba. Akekho umuntu owaziyo ukuthi kusasa siyobe khona. Uyovukani from long of Tom or uyobuya lapho behambe waya khona. So lento isho ukuthi isikhathi kufanele sisebenzise. Uyabona nje commander uthe ubaba uMsholozi akhulumi into edifficult ongalulu ongathi kunzima ukuyizwa. Uma ethi asihlanganeni sithathe izwe lethu. Is exactly lokho abantu abamhlophe abakwaziyo ukuthi kuyokwenzeka anytime. And ngeke bayeke ukusebenzisa i-power of the money kubantu abalambileyo. At this stage njengamanje njengoba abantu belambe kangaka be-desperate bathengeka kalula abantu. Ubani belindele ukuthi i-FF uMalema the whole Malema othi uyi-economic freedom fighter azodeclare a black party athi the enemy number one. Lento kufanele singene deeper lento because sibe nomlungu lapha all present. Ongena kuma-studio engabi namahloni akhulume ukuchaya kwakhe. Ngalama leaders esinawo amnyama. Aza declare MK as the biggest threat. Athi uyibonile nje i-FF, but it's no more. But the biggest threat is MK. So really uma ngabe silele kanje ngoba uyayisholo nomlungu ukuthi i-threat ukuthi uMsholozi ingoba ufuna ukhululeke abantu abamnyama. Manje masolalela uMalema njoba ama-fighters emuzwa wona ebese ithatha lento ayishiloyo ayithathe as a truth gospel. This life is not about Malema. This life is about a black child, a black person ophilayo namhlanje. Funeke sikhulule bakwethu. Sithi noma sihambe emhlabeni sibe yilezo ngweleso ezobuya zibone injabulo ey'nganeni zethu esishiye emuva. Kanti kuyoze kube nini thina hlale njalo singemuva kuyo yonke into. Abelungu bafike la bathola abantu abamnyama. Babona ukuthi abantu abamnyama they are too into their own things. And then babusa amandiya. And then now amandiya are a minority esithanda ukuba ngcono and it has a class. Then umuntu omnyama. And izwe leli elethu. And amandiya awabone gijimisana ngebhamu ethukana. Awabone evula amaphathi awo ethukana. Kuba umuntu omnyama ozothuka another black leader, another black person, another black party. Eke sithi maswathuka ke lamaphathi swathuke ngoba ukuthi sibona imisebenzi yawo. Eke siqale nje sibuke ANC imisebenzi yayo. I-ANC imisebenzi yayo sesiyibonile. Sibenefitile kwenye leadership usangabhenefita kwenye leadership. And asikabenefithi inkululeko yethu konke lokhu siyakubona ngoba the very same ANC okumele ngabe sideclare as the enemy number one ngoba isiphenduke yayi-gatekeeper. Isiprotector laba bantu abathatha umhlaba wethu, laba bantu abaqoqobela umnotho wethu, laba bantu abenza sure ukuthi noma ingane yethu ingafunda bazoyifuna ini experience before bayiqashe. Is it normal ukuthi abantu basuke esikoleni be 1 million njoba every year we have abantu abaphuma ko-matric bela almost 1 million baye ema-universities baphume lapha bazoyiphuma probably bengayona kwi-million ke. But we're talking about a huge number la uzothi kulabo bantu you want experience abazobe ithathephi ngoba lo hulumeni akanayo lento kuthiwa intern kuyimnyango yakhe uhulumeni akanayo lona uhulumeni. So lento vele kuqhubeka nje wasibabonile novavi ikhala ngezinto zayo lento yesevisi over they've been loud enough. You can give them the credit on that. Nanto le ukuthi job brokers. Lento le ANC namanje ayifuni ukudila nayo decisive. Ayifuni and manje isivala yonke imisebenzi. UBP njengamanje uzovala imisebenzi even nakwi high positions all together ingase ibela ko 4,600. This is not a joke, guys. In our country, that means uma ngabe labelungu sebehlulekile ukurana i-country the way we want thina baninile ukuthi thina sihlangane sithathiwe sibasuse sibabonise ukuthi this is how we should be thina silifuna linje elethu leli. We are not an island. We are not in the part of Europe. We are not a part of America. We are not part of England. We are an African country. Here must be South Africa. Sila izwe lethu labafice kulo funeka siyibhadele lona. So ukula kwethu kuzobe kusiza bona hayi thina. Uma uzoba namazwe njengo Burkina Faso abathole independent about 65 years ago, and babonile ukuthi all these years labelungu basebenzisa imali ukuthatha ama leaders ababenza ama puppets kuze kuzoqhamuka umfana omncane on the age of probably lo yanga kuno Malema athathe leadership abe decisive enza ama wonders within 2 years. Isho ukuthi siyakwazi ukuyiphatha thina. So sihlulwa yini isikhathi siyakalula uma ileader ithi better yini singayitshela ukuthi cha lokhu ke uyaphazama. Why sesogijima siyeko yonke into social media lena si attack abanye abantu kodwa belwela yona same thing esifuna sonke. Because at the end of the day when all it has come to an end wonke umuntu oqala ibuka ngempela ukuthi yini ayiachievile yini ayenzela abantu. It will be very painful ukuthi sonke sobe sisiblame sithi we have wasted another time. Sesubonile 30 years ukuthi it was a waste. Manje sifuna ukuwaste another time futhi. A black child wants to go on social media and attack umsholozi emdala kangaka at the age of 82 years. Engakaze eshe lutho kule ngane. Ithathe a small story enjengokuthi uresignile uTG weMK. Ithathe lento as if now songukufa kweparty is celebrate lokho. Yini yona leyo ibizwa ngani lento le? Is it politics? Abantu be-FF ake befocus kwi-FF bayibuke bayi-resuscitate because isiqalile loser i-taste and loser a momentum and izoyithola ilenda njengani njengekhophi. Ubani ongamboni Malema ukuthi sokukhona into aseyinikiwe uma ethenje emva kwama-elections wayishintsha yonke into indlela abheva ngayo wayeka uba revolutionary. So manje sesibamba ngani ngalento yama-askaris afundiswa yona ukuthi talk very good but in action yenza lokhu okufuna imaster. So senkingeni angizukwanda kakhulu komanda ngiyobuye ngibuye nje ngiqhubeke senkingeni but sengivala ngisho ngithi mina I have a faith kwipolitiki kaBaba Msholozi. I have a faith kwi-MK. Ipolitiki kaMsholozi ihlale njalo i-strategizwa akuyona into nje evele nje athi mayivela mayivuka akhulume noma kanjani. Ukhuluma into asuyade icabangile and usuke seyibonile futhi ukuthi iyapi izo-achievana. Njengamanje abantu aba-understand ukuthi mathi I will always remain an ANC member. And then ukhambe izinto engakaze ziye ngisho iezali into engazi nokulala kuma-trenches, into engazi nokunethwa zimvula, izinto engazi nokulala ilambile, izinto engazi nokuthi ukudla inyoka entabeni kuyinto enjani into engazi nokuthi makuthiwa kuyadutshulwa kuyafiwa kusuke sokwenzakalana uzwa umuntu onaye ekhaya mhlambe aze afe uhluleke ukumsiza ubani bazi ukuthi apartheid iyophela nokuthi iyophela nini ubani bazi ukuthi waye ku-ezalo kuyephila asisukudlala ngamathuba asisukudlala ngesikhathi
manje mina ngicabanga ukuthi
uma
everyday uhlala agqaka
ithi
i-MK
asihlanganeni
yena sekapraiser i-BRICS
asibuke ukuthi
futhi
mahlangana
noma singanelanga thina
ukuthi
siyi-BRICS thina
mahlangana
South African eze ngoba
neutral yeah
uyabona
kunabantu abasidayisayo
neutral akekho
and then ask those questions
hayi but kaningi
uphendula
ugqakile
thina
i-BRICS
because
okaningi
kubalulekile ukuthi
ugqake
sihlangane
i-MK
sisenzele into yethu
yena
Bathula
uwe-EFF
abalungu njengamanje bathatha ikeptana belungu they own it bayi-advertise as the best city and they make sure ukuthi they baheha wonke umhlaba uza la
busy lapha
mhlawumbe uzelenki uselala lapha nje uzelenki usenza ama-calls ukuthi makwenzekeni le e-Ukraine la e-South Africa because le GNU ayifakwanga nge-mistake le nto e-GNU it was designed ukuthi kuleya election noma ngabe kuthiwa ikhona iphathi ewinileyo funeke iphuce amavoti athize anikezwe ama-parties ukuze kufonywe lento kuphakamiswe i-DA ebese kuthi i-DA mase isiphakamiswe ebese inikwa ama-strategic portfolios unomuntu kaMatric ophethe i-agriculture umuntu kaMatric ophethe i-agriculture wenzeni this year abangazi sengiyabatshela-ke uhambe waya-order emili wa-importer about 26 tons of imili impuphu from America ubani ofuna ukufidwa i-America who wants to be fed by umuntu onjengo-Bill Gates because Bill Gates yena orun ifama lapha he owns hectares and hectares of land with agriculture uyena o-decide ukuthi yiphi i-crop ofuneka i-promote usho kumele decide ne-South African land asivukeni bakwethu i-MK iyakhula what I like ngayo ikhula noma be-criticize kuphela kuhlaleleyo thina njenge-MK ukuthi abantu abayi-MK ababe more educated ukuthi abangagcini beba weak bethole beheheka ukukhohliseka bashiye i-MK but kufanele bame ne-MK because i-resolute ukuthi there's no other way ukuthi izwe libuye kithi ukuthi kuphela sihlangane sivote under one umbrella lama-parties angafuni ukujoyina under one umbrella e-MK aquestion ukuthi why yena umsholozi engajoyinanga i-EFF can you imagine ukuba ubaba uZuma ujoyine le-EFF esinje njengamanje ubani ungazi ukuthi i-EFF ithola imali from the cabal elicontrol economy yethu imali siyiqhamuka noMotsepe ayibhaliwe uMotsepe leya mali uMotsepe uyimember yecabal onke lama-declarations mangabe umuntu engawazi akaye lapho i-IEC declarations uyakhipha uwafishi ilapho ubone khona ukuthi labantu babanjiwe labantu because lo okukhokhelayo ulo fidayo so kuzokunikeza ama-duties ofuneka kuwenzile obviously because uphila ngaye asiphaphameni sidle emnyama ngoba ukulwela uMalema wena uhlala eKhayelitsha wena uhlala e-Alexander wena uhlala eThembisa uphile yakhe impilo uMalema uhlelile kwi-mention kunama-bodyguard noma sethi open border ayima-affect yena into yabantu aba-illegal in a country we have a problem njengamanje eMozambique njengamanje we have a problem komanda ake ngivala laba ngidedela abanye ngizobe ngibuye nje ngiqhubeke kule problem ngoba this is serious asifuna siyibhekisise leya nto leyana it's gonna turn this country upside down indlela enza ngayo uCyril ngiyabonga
Siyabonga Commander Magebe iqhatha sikho Magebe ngiyahamba futhi usemhlanganweni bekuvulile nje ukuthi sithi ukudlana indlebe kwenze ukuthi ungabikho ivacuum bengenzela nje ukuthi kungabikho ivacuum sigade umzila bafowethu kodwa lesikhathi anginaso ngisendleleni ngaphuma noma inini bengilwela nje ukuthi kungabikho ivacuum kodwa ke kulento eshilo commander ugcizelela before ngidedele ucommander Batista Sibiya uSotobe uqinisile commander baye bathi labo ndle bekhanya ilanga he who pays the piper calls the tune kusho ukuthi manje asikwazi ke ukuthi singenze ngathi asibone ukuthi siginqe sidanselwayo esikabani ngoba lokho khile uyena udlalela umculo ufuna siwudansele yabona ziningi izinto ezishilo commander kodwa uLebogang ke wangibuyisa endleleni ngoba khona into ebengifuna ukuyisho kahle kahle lena ukuthi yabona mfowethu umkhonto wesizwe abantu bayawubona singakhohlisana futhi ngisho uquqaba luyawubona ngisho abantu abadala bayawubona iwari yami mina futhi uzophatha umkhonto wesizwe iwari yami we commander Mageba nanonke ama commander niglo live when because any day that goes by without MK emandleni awungene nje manje babhizi bathi ngeke ngabona la ku social media kuthiwa lo minister lo okwe electricity uthi kufanele kulistwe uthi kufanele kulistwe onke ama state owned entities kwa JSE because they need to have a private partnership private public partnership manje abahamba into agent le manje bayabona ukuthi isikhathi siphilile office into ofanele yenzeke nje insukwini kuyolistwa onke olokuzana kwa JSE kwenzela ukuthi kudayiselwa abelungu imboni kahulumeni manje ngizama nje ukusho command ukuthi as much as uMK uzongena emandleni futhi abantu bewubona ukuthi uyisombululo but inkinga esibhekene nayo ukuthi sifake abantu abaningi ngokwenele kwe-movement kwenzela ukuthi ubaba abe ne-confidence ake ngenza umzekelo walento ngisho okay ake ngidedele na Commander Batista ngijikela mkhonto sengivimba endleleni ngoba sengizophuma
sanibonani makomanda niyaphila makomanda hayi asibongeni makomanda cha angizukwanda komanda njengoba usushilo nje sizokwazi ukuthi sidedelane cha makomanda mina into engizodlulisa nje ukubonga makomanda ukuthi njengoba sila MK asilahlekile ngempela ongakaboni angazi oqhamukaphi makomanda ngoba ngempela iMK izolwela umuntu omnyama ngifuna ukutshela enye into engizwe ekseni la ngibe nokudumala nokuphatheka kabi mangizwa sebeqalile manje sebekhuluma ngesintu sethu bafuna ukuthi sisilahle bibhlungu nyani impela kwathola ukuthi angikhona ngene ukhosini bokukhona laba abakhuluma ngendaba ye-funeral bathi hayi eThekwini manje isokugcwele sokufuneka omunye kube omunye phe omunye kuze nibeke nize nibe u3 endaweni eyodwa ngathi mina ngenhliziyo ngathi hayi bo iGNU size yangena nakulabo be-funeral ingakho babuzuma ukuthi ababuyisa umhlaba wethu sebeqalile iGNU iqalile yenza into zayo kuphinde futhi ithala izolivala ngoba ayifuni into enhle yenziwa abantu abamnyama iGNU kuphinde futhi makomanda bakwazi ukuyokhipha laba abantu bezamazama kungesibo abantu bala eSouth Africa kodwa kukhona abangena ngecontainer abashona phansi namanje abaze baphume labo bantu labo abakhona la eSouth Africa manje ngifuna ukuyibuza ukuthi ingabe wena othi ngempela iMK awuyizwa ukuthi ithini ingabe wena oqhamuka kuliphi izwe ngoba thina iMK izolwela umuntu omnyama yonke leyo nto le izolungiswa ngendlela eqondile ukube ngempela izinto njengoba benza nje angithi iGNU iqhuba ngohlobo lwayo thina sizokwenza ngendlela yethu thina ngosiko lethu siyiMK awukwazi ukuthi uzongcwatsha ukuthi uma ungcwatshwa bese uyashiswa asiyazi leyo nto le uzokhuluma nani ngoba into yesilungu leyo nto le into yeGNU ikazile leyo nto le bebekhuluma lapho khosini ngaphatheka kabi ngathi angikhoni nokungena lapho khosini ngasho kodwa ngathi hayi bona kancane kancane sodila nabo siyi-MK nongakaboni somdonsa ngezandla simlethe sithi woze ekhaya ngoba siyakubona ukuthi sudukile i-JNU sivele yakudlala umqondo yakudribula kwaphinda nalabo abafundile yababhayisisa kakhulu yababhayisisa ngakho lokhu kufunda kwabo bagcina bangasaboni nezinto ey-wrong ma-commanders ngiyema lapho ma-commanders bezokwazi ukuthi baqhubeke nabanye.
Hayi ngiyabonga kakhulu commanders, hayi bafuthu bengibingelela nje ngicela ukuthi ngidedele ama-commanders ukuthi uMkabayi uzovula ulive emva kwalo live. Asisaleni isixoxa bafowethu, nami mase ngibuye emithingini le ngiyongena kuyo ngizongena kuyo ngo-2 kodwa kuyahanjwa kuyapha ngisuka la ngiyakhona. Uthi uMkabayi uCommander Mkabayi uzovula ulive we-MK, sohamba siye khona bafowethu siyohlala khona sivungazele sixoxe. Kodwa nje nakho mina commanders engifisa ukuthi ngikusho okusemqondweni wami bafowethu, uma uyi-MK ngicela singayixaki kakhulu ngepolitiki lejulile, kakhulukazi mas-recruiter. Into ebalulekile nje sifuna siyitshela abantu ukuthi i-constitution iyasicindezela, isiphuca umnotho wethu. I-constitution iyenza silale singadlile kudla abelungu kuphela, ivikela abelungu kuthiwa ama-sunset clauses, ivikela abelungu ukuthi asebenakho babe nakho kakhulu, thina esingenalutho silale singadlile. Manje yabona nje masiyibambe lapho nje bafowethu singaze singene nawo kakhulu siyedeep nayo ipolitiki kakhulu, kodwa nje simazise umuntu ukuthi kwethu into ebalulekile kakhulu nqamalala ifunayo ukuthi ungene ngaphakathi ulanda abantu. Into ebalulekile kuzoqaqwa onke amaqeqange constitution asibopha amaqakala, ngoba ngeke kwenzeke lutho, ngeke sithule lutho kusena le constitution. Njengoba esho nje uCommander Sibiya, le constitution le ivumela abelungu ukuthi benze umathanda anqabe nendawo yakho umlungu ifuna uhulumeni ifuna ukuyisebenzisa, kuthiwa akayikhokhele itshele imali bese kuthiwa sincwatshwe sitakelane phe komunye nomunye sitakelane ngenxa ukuthi i-JNU abelungu banqaba nendawo. Bafowethu sifuna ukushintsha iconstitution abona si-recruiting bafowethu. Mina yabona inkinga enginayo ukuthi usuku nosuku lishona i-JNU isemandleni konakele, njengoba ikhuluma nje amakhomanda ukuthi kuyovalwa ithala manje, kuyodayiswa u-Eskom, kuyodayiswa u-SAA, kuyodayiswa u-Transnet, kuyodayiswa uPrasa, kuyodayiswa yonke into bafowethu, ngenxa ukuthi abelungu bafuna ukuthi baqhubeke basibambe ngamankwahla. Ngoba mase izinto sezisezandleni zabo, they will determine the price. Singaphatha siphathe thina izwe, but if isandla sabo sikwi-economy where things are happening, imali umnotho ayikho into sobe siyiphethe, ngoba bawuvele banyusa imali ulambe nemali yakho ngoba izinto seyisha phezulu. Ngeke ngathenga ugesi ka-3000 angidlali bafowethu, ngathola u-1000 angazi noma 1100 units
ana go platform osewindini nala nabantu bonke abase kuma comment section. No, ngiyaphila mama, for the first time ingena ku live wakho ngiyabulisa. Bengimamele ngilongimamele ama guest aloka Paula, ubaba Mageba, ubhuti uMelvin and nabo bhuti Lebu. I-issue yethu sabantu abamnyama is so sensitive, painful and sensitive at the same time. We will never be free until we free ourselves. Steve Biko, he was pushing Pan-Africanist ideology. Sobukwe did the same. And even today, we're still speaking with the voices of the yesteryears, like Yosobukwes of this world. Abo Baba Herikwala, Abo Mama Matigizeda, Nkuluma ngabo Chris Tabisile Hani, they died speaking the very same words as Ubaba Makeba, Uput Melvin are saying, and nami ngisasho kanjalo. It's about time sivuka sibone ukuthi nangempela siboshiwe singaboshiwe, but angeke sibone because amabhunu laba bafika 1652 they divided us ngalendlela ukuthi bayenze ngakho konke ukuthi ba instille the mindset of hatred amongst us Azanian children. Ubani ongasikhulula imina nawe, and the only freedom esingayithola umhlazane singama thina siyithi sithi sokwanele kwaba kunini abantu abamnyama baloku bathi we want to be free. The very same freedom esayicabanga ukuthi iyona ya 1994, it wasn't the freedom for you and I, but it was a way of empowering the so-called freedom fighters. Laba abahlala emajele for years and years, some of them we're not even sure if ibona nangempela njengoba naye uBut Melvin asho ukuthi asekho sure ukuthi wangempela bokubani, ngoba if bokuyena bengekaze agibela iCressida ayolala ehotel ngalelanga bamrelease ejele, bokumele abuyele eQunu or kuseQundu or kukuphi Eastern Cape ayolwela abantu, abuyele kokwabo. Abo Walter Sisulu bokumele baye laba abuya khona bonke, but into bayithola empowerment kwaba ma shareholders kuma mines, kwaba ma shareholders kuma big companies. Kusho kona ukuthi nangempela savala amehlo kwathiwa ethi sibavaleni si act as if sirelease laba abalelwayo so that they can cool down, because if you can check 1960s abomama badela ifreedom bashisa amadompas, 70s kwaba indaba yelontuza ye Soweto uprising and these other areas zabantu abamnyama, 80s ngisaphinda kwaba yilontuza ngama 84 kwaba ukula ilontuza against a state of emergencies. Early 90s it was black on black again. We were fighting for ourselves to be free and fight a enemy, and then we were about to conquer that same enemy. Unfortunately, we were sold when we were told that release ama prisoners we freedom kanti cha bebasibopha kokugcina. It's about time Africans to stand up. It's about time Azanian people we join hands and say enough is enough. Ukuthi kuzoba kunini, I'm waiting for that day. Nangampela, we were waiting for that day. We want to say thank you Ncamalala for kusivula amehlo. Besingazi ukuthi one day sizoba ne voice. One day we will speak our our minds. One day we will see that nangempela siboshiwe. Commanders, morning.
Sibonga.